Hello and welcome to our second step. We open our file. In this step, we will import a Revit project. But before we do this, we will show you some graphic options. We switch in our site plan. We use the VV shortcut to activate our generic models. Okay. Now we can see all of our existing buildings. Now we want to override the graphics of those buildings. We select the buildings, right mouse click, we select here override graphics in view by element. We change the surface pattern to gray, the material to solid fill, click OK. And now our buildings are gray. We want to add a symbol. We switch in our annotate tab, select here symbol, we select load family. From our additional files folder, we select orientation symbol, click OK, and we place it over here. If we now change our orientation to project north, now we are going to import a Revit project. We switch in our insert tab, select link Revit. In our additional files folder, we select existing buildings, and we change the positioning to manual center. Click open. Place it somewhere over here. We select it, use the move tool to place our buildings correctly. Now this file is a linked file in which we cannot change anything. To further edit that project, we select it and click here link. Here we can choose from several options. We also want to activate grid. Click OK. This is an ignorable notice from Revit which tells you that there are already some existing components. Now those buildings are bound to our Revit project, therefore the file size increased. If you unlink a project, it's automatically grouped. We want to ungroup it. We click escape, select it. We choose here ungroup. Now you can use all elements and change it at any time. We want to explain to you the function of the elevation symbols. Therefore, we close all open windows and we open our south side view and use the WT shortcut. Over here, there's our south side elevation symbol. We can select it and move it outside of the building. Now you see our view has changed. We select top point of our elevation symbol. We select now far clipping and we select the clip with line option. Click OK. We can change the depth of our view. If we move the elevation symbol outside of our region, you see the region is not displayed. If we move it back, you can see the region. So that's it for our second step, and we'll be back in the third.